if you want to set up and use your mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A26. So first of all, open up your settings. Now you should find your connections tab. After that, scroll down to your mobile hotspot and tethering. So locate your mobile hotspot. And first of all, let's turn it on. When you do this, you will be prompted to turn off your Wi-Fi because those two options don't work simultaneously. So press turn off. And now let's set it up. So first of all, we can change our network name. We can set up our own password. It has to be at least 8 characters long. You may choose band, so 2 and 4 Hz or 5 Hz. Security protocol, I recommend leaving on the default. Also, you can press advanced, set up your broadcast channel, your MEC address type, turn off when no device is connected full, right? Hidden network, you can enable this option. You can enable your Wi-Fi sharing and enable protected management frames. Press save when you're satisfied. Also, you can set up auto hotspot and one-time password. And basically that's it. Okay, something is going on. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.